I'll create a new project, select 8 frames per second, and get to animating. Frames per second is basically how many pictures or drawing you get shown per second in an animation. In this video, I'll be using 8, 12, and 24. I'll select a white colored pen for the base and get to work. Personally, I prefer to use 24 frames per second. I can animate smoother on it, and it's quite convenient for me. But as a beginner, you could also use 8 or 12. They can create decent animations too. Now, you might see a lot of people talk smack about using 8 or 12 frames per second. I think 8 and 12 would help you avoid burnout as a beginner and help you grasp a general idea on how animations work. I'll use the white pen to draw the base lightening first. I'll just turn on the glow option later. The animation seems to be done. All that is left is to turn on the glow layer and add a background to the animation. I'll just draw a simple line background, nothing too serious. I'll add it frame by frame, and with that, I'm done. Now I'll animate the 12 frames per second's lightning animation. Remember, the frames per second is how many drawings you get shown per second. I'll just turn on the glow option and get to work immediately. Once again, enjoy the time lapse. After about 7 minutes of animation, this is the 12 frames per second lightning. Finally, for the 24 frames per second, my personal favorite. Let's go. I enjoy animating on 24 frames per second because you can choose to animate on 1s or on 2s, and you'll still be able to create really smooth animations. Enjoy the animation time lapse. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps reach more animators too. After exactly 9 minutes of animation, this is what we got. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn how to animate, check out this tutorial playlist and this video here. Also, the second channel is on a race to 1,000 subscribers. Help me reach the goal by subscribing here.